Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious yam porridge. It is so tasty, you guys. It is very easy to make and yet very budget friendly. So without no further talking, let's just go ahead and get started. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing to make this recipe. I have some onions here already chopped. I have some pepper mix here. I have tatashe, scotch bonnet, and onions blended together. I have some crayfish powder here. I have some palm oil. I have some salt and then seasoning cube. Yes, I didn't use all though. I have some ugu leaves. Okay, you can use spinach as well. Of course, the yam already washed and cubed. Yes, and then I have a fish here. I have a mackerel. I'll be frying this. So in a pot, add in some oil. This is about a cooking spoon of oil, and when it heats up, please don't bleach. Okay, add in the onions and fry it for a bit, okay, till it softens up. Yes, this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so after it has softened up, you can go ahead and add in the pepper mix. Okay, yes, after you add it up, keep on stirring. Okay, fry it, okay, till the tangy taste of the tatashe is gone. Yeah, fry it properly. Okay, this will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, let it fry, and when that is done, go ahead and add in your crayfish powder. Okay, yes, this is what adds the unique flavor to your dish. This makes it taste so good. Don't skip this method, you guys. Okay, just add it up and then stir it. Don't fry it for long, okay, otherwise it will burn. So I'm going ahead to add 2 seasoning cube at this point. Okay, added 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I stirred that up. Okay, please don't fry this for long, otherwise your crayfish will burn. When that is done, you can now go ahead and add in your washed yam. Okay, stir it up. Okay, stir it for a bit to mix with the sauce, and then go ahead and add some water to cook the yam. Yes, I went on ahead to add some water to cover the yam. Okay, this will make the yam to cook properly. I stirred it up. Okay, just stir it up, and then at this point you want to taste for salt. Okay, I tasted, and then it needed a seasoning cube and some salt, so I just went on ahead to add 1 seasoning cube, making it 1.5 at this point, and then a little more salt. Yes, okay, so I'm just going to stir it up now, and then I tasted again. It was good, and then I covered to start cooking the yam. So while that is cooking, we're going to prep the fish. Okay, I just cut and wash it now. I removed the head because I don't want the head. So I'm seasoning it with some salt, only salt. Okay, I just seasoned with only salt at this point. So after you've done that, set a pan on fire, add in some vegetable oil, and then add in some onions, just a little chunk of onion. Then added some scotch bonnet pepper. This will give it extra kick. Okay, you added that onions for just flavor. Yes, so add in your fish and let this fish fry. Please don't disturb, let it fry. Okay, so when it has fried, you just turn it over, flip it to the other side to fry, checking on the yam. Voila, you guys, at this point stir up the yam. Okay, yeah, it has cooked at this point, so I'm just going to use this wooden spatula to break in some of the yams. Okay, yes, this is what is giving this yam the porridge texture, to thicken the yam. Yes, to make it that porridgey, you know what I mean. Just stir it up, you guys. Breaking the yam, some of the yams, and then look at that. This gives it that porridge. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. At this point, my kitchen is already smelling amazing. Like, I did added a little more water to just loosen it up. Okay, yes, because if I leave it like this and when it cools down, it will get too thick. It will just thicken off like jaguar, and I don't want that. Just loosen it up. Don't worry, the taste didn't lose. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and add in some vegetables. Okay, go ahead and add in your vegetables. I'm using ugu. You can use spinach as well. Just stir it up, and then you have it. you have your delicious yam porridge. At this point, you don't need to cook it again because the hotness from the yam will make it cook. Okay, so serve this yam with your fried fish. You can skip fish if you don't want to. Okay, this makes it really affordable, tasty, so luscious. You guys, serve it hot to your loved ones and enjoy. At this point, please give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share, give me a comment, subscribe if you've not. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.